Hey babes, it's your girl AJ of All Slay, and I'm back with another video. I'm trying, y'all. So today I am officially 7 months pregnant. Yeah. 2 more months to go, and my little one will be here. But if you guys have not checked out our thoughts, where I talk about uh, my first trimester trauma, pregnancy brain, how to support each other as a couple when you go through when your pregnancy is not as easy as you think it might be. Just the truth about what I went through, and sometimes women are scared to share. So if you guys want to hear about that, go right on over. I'll link it at the end of this video and down below, or you guys can just go to my channel. And if you are not a subscriber, what are you doing? Like, just click on my page and hit subscribe. And if you are already one of my slay babes, hey, I see y'all. I look at y'all name every time I get a new one. So shout out to y'all, and make sure you guys are clicking the bell button right next to subscribe so you won't miss anything.
I slay, I slay, I slay, I slay, all day. I slay, I slay, I slay, we gon' slay.
But anyway, this video is about the top 8 things that have changed in my life ever since I've been pregnant. Number 8 will be my sugar cravings. I am craving sugar like crazy, but baby does not like sugar. Like, when I eat sugar, it stays in my mouth a day, and it makes me want to spit. Like, but I just want cake all the time. I want a slice of cake every freaking day. But baby is like, bitch, no. Boop. Moving right along to number 7, I am hairy. When I tell you hairy, like, I know your hair grow and your nails grow, which is happening to me, but it's beyond. Like, I was hairy before, so I'm like a beast. I got the Ashanti sideburns. I know y'all see that. All this is hair. Like, it's hair. And I'm scared to shave it or to wax it, because after this baby is gone, after this baby is out, I don't want to be still shaving and waxing, because I already started it. You know, once you start something, you can never like reverse it. So I'm just going to leave it there and hope that it don't grow no more. But I like full on got my Ashantis. And let's not talk about how hairy my butt is. It's like a baboon. Well, a baboon ain't even got no hair on their butt. So girl, I'm worse. Number 6, my lips are so dry and peeling and cracking. It's ridiculous. You would think it would be happening over my whole body, but it's literally just my lips. My lips are just the worst they have ever been. It's just like I have a mask over them, and then it cracks and it peels, and then you get the biting at it, even though you ain't supposed to do that. Girl, I lip scrub every 2 days, and it's just still not working for me. It won't. My vision just got blurry. That's one of the symptoms you get when you're pregnant, y'all, just so you know. You know, real stuff be happening while you record. I ain't gonna hide it from y'all. My vision just got real blurry. What number was I? Oh, yeah, number 6. Number 5. I curse so much. I don't know if it got something to do with my emotions or the way I take stuff, which will also be my emotions. But I cuss so much, it's ridiculous. Like, my last video, even Rail pointed it out. Make sure you guys go watch that video. Like, he like, you cuss so much now. Like, I cuss ever since I've been pregnant. I cuss so much, and I don't know if it's the stress of my first trimester that made me start cussing, or I'm just be really emotional and passionate about what I'm saying, and cuss words get it across. I'm surprised I ain't cussed in this video. I probably have and don't even know it. But I'm a sailor now ever since I've been pregnant. Number 4, my breasts hurt so bad. They swollen. They were already big, y'all. I already wore a 44G. Okay? Yes, help me. But when I tell y'all, My nipples are so sensitive. It's ridiculous. But they look like somebody took a marker and outlined my original areola and then filled it in on some real disrespectful stuff. You know what I mean? Like really rude. Like, and then like they feel bullet. Like my areola feels bulletproof. Like it look bulletproof. It look like Teflon. It feel like Teflon. It look like it can put like it can take a punch. But my nipple is real like I can hit it and it's fine. But every once in a while, like out of the blue, it feel like I'm getting it pierced or like it's on fire. Number 3. This one is real awkward to me because I never heard of it before, or maybe like y'all who've been pregnant before can explain to me what this is about. But I have had to change deodorants 4 different times during my pregnancy. So deodorant and deodorant is just not working for me at this point. Like I'm like, don't judge me. I be musty sometimes. Okay? It's real disrespectful. But yeah, so I went from Degree, and then I didn't like the smell of the Degree because my first trimester I was really nauseous and it would set me off. And then I tried, I think it's called Crystal. It was like a clear roll-on deodorant with no scent. And that didn't work for me, and it was too wet, and it didn't seem like it stayed on. Then I did another deodorant. It's supposed to be an all-natural organic deodorant with lavender in it, and that semi-stinks, and it was not lasting for 24 hours. Now I'm using Tom's with no scent, and that shit's supposed to last 24 hours, and it does not. Like, when I tell you every 4 hours, I feel like I'm like, can't be musty. Like I put on deodorant. So at this point I'm like putting on too much. Okay, maybe I'm putting on too much. Putting on too little. Okay, maybe I'm putting on too little. Then I start mixing deodorants together because child, like ain't nothing worse than a musty person. Like I don't like no funk. I don't do stinkiness. Okay, it sets me off. Number 2. Don't judge me, y'all. I am in love with mayo. Like, I've never, like, because, I don't want to say this, but I'm going to say it. Like, black people really don't eat mayo. Like, we use Miracle Whip. Well, from where I'm from, up north, we use Miracle Whip. Nobody really has mayo in their house, but I freaking love mayo. I cannot eat Miracle Whip, y'all. It's too sweet at this point in my life. Mayo is the shit. I love mayo and sour cream. Anything with sour cream on it, I am eating it. I want it. Give me some extra sour cream on the side. I'm going to dip it in there. But mayo and sour cream is my shit. I don't know what it is. Baby likes it. I like it. It works for us. And the number 1 thing that changed, which is the weirdest thing in the world, and I don't know why it happened, but I spit. And beforehand, I was never a spitter, if that makes sense, because it's not ladylike. It's not ladylike, and I'm a lady. Okay, I'm classy. I'm real classy based. Like Funky Dineva said, I'm a rich white woman, and I'm real classy based. Okay, and I don't be spitting. I didn't even know how to spit. Like, before this moment, like, you just don't know how to do certain things because you don't do them. Like, I had to learn how to spit, you guys. And in the beginning, my first trimester, I used to spit so much that I used to have bottles and bottles of water bottles filled with spit. And me and Rael talk about that in our last video, so make sure you guys go check that out. But spit and saliva and this need to, like, your mouth is always watery and wet is the worst thing in the world and the weirdest thing to me that has happened to me during my pregnancy. Like, everything else be like, okay, that's normal. Pregnant women go through that. They got another person in their body. But I just don't understand how my mouth is wet and dry at the same time. How I want to spit 24/7. Now that I'm 7 months, oh, excuse me. Now that I'm 7 months pregnant, it's better. Like, I only spit, like, when I had a sugary taste in my mouth, right after I eat, and before I go to bed. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. That was the top 8 weirdest things that have changed with my body and my mental since I've been pregnant. Like I said, I'm 7 months now, and I'm super excited to meet my baby. It'll be no time. My next video will be something involving the baby room. As you can see, I have moved my beauty room to one corner so I can share this room with my beautiful baby girl. I know she's gonna be like so perfect. And you guys stay tuned to my channel. You guys can follow my baby journey. I know I entered it really late with you guys, but I was really sick, and I hope you guys understand, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, and comment. And if you have not subscribed by this point, I think you want a problem with me. I think you really want beef. You know what I mean? And it's no problem. It's been 7 months since I had to clap on somebody, and I'm prepared. Don't let this baby fool you. We can do nothing because I got a baby in my stomach. But you guys go ahead and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.